Yin Homes is back with another property home tour. Today, we bring to you an intermediate single story that's ready to move in. We're here today at Abang Haji Openg Taman Tun Dr Ismail. The single-story land plot is 22 feet by 80 feet or 1,760 square feet. Situated in a very strategic location of TTDI, it is walking distance to the Tun Muhammad Ford shops and to the Bukit Kiara Park and the Masjid Al-Taqwa, all located within 8 minutes walk. If you like to access the MRT, it is about 17 minutes walk. The home sits on a freehold non-Bumi KL address land. The home has 3 rooms and 2 baths. Your perfect and cozy condo on land. Renovated about a year ago, but it's never been lived in before. This home is ready for you with just some aesthetic touch-ups and furniture. The original condition of the home had great bones, but low ceiling height, dim lights, small and dated bathrooms. You'll notice how dark the place used to be. So, the homeowners set to work on a few things. Number 1, ceiling height. The ceiling height has been adjusted to 12 feet. Number 2, swap the master bath. The original single-story homes have the master bath right here, making the room small and the toilet facing out to the airwell, making the airwell area dark. By moving the master bath to the front, you free up the space in the master bedroom for a king-size bed. And on top of that, when the car comes home, you don't have light shining into your master bedroom. Number 3, straighten the foyer area. So now, this place has very strong bones. This is now the perfect transition zone into your home. Just that right now, it feels like a mere corridor. Too much white, not much visual gravity. Nothing here signals to you welcome home. A simple fix with the right fittings and fixtures to warm it up and you have got yourself a beautiful foyer to welcome you home. These 3 major changes. Number 1, new ceiling height. Number 2, new master bedroom layout. Number 3, new foyer area. All of these have created a brand new layout for the home. New roof, new wiring and piping have also been done. All that's left for you to do is to put in your finishing touches. As you pass the foyer and enter into the home, you really feel the full length of the home, further enhanced by its flatline layout. Simple enhancements with loose furniture, some warm lighting and a nice rug would instantly warm up the space. If you like the modern century feel, go with the warm colors to balance the white of the home, some paintings, rugs, loose TV console and a book rack. And you'll end up with this. Or maybe the mid-century modern aesthetic is not quite what you're looking for. You could try a Japandi Muji-inspired style like this. The home is currently a clean slate, ready for you to dress it up. The living area flows seamlessly into the dining, as with the original single-story layout. For the dining, using the same ID tips by adding the loose furniture like a cozy round table, a console, and add some textures with ceramic vases, a brass tray, some plants, then dress up your walls with a painting and add some warm lights together with a pendant light to anchor the home. Lighting is very interesting because the trick is in the layering. Give it 3 layers to turn this from a bright, cold home to evening hotel lounge. Number 1, ceiling focus. Add a globe or brass pendant above the table. Number 2, human height glow, either table lamp on sideboard or warm shaded lamp. Number 3, ambient softness. Add a floor lamp here for indirect bounce light. Using these concepts and applying it here, you could turn this into a cozy dining area. Or if you prefer something cleaner, you could go for the Japandi Muji style like this. We're here in this cozy nook which used to be the airwell area. This is before, very closed up and dark. It was originally covered up, so the homeowners kept it as is. This area has so much architectural potential. You also have lots of natural light. You could turn this into a cozy reading nook. Adding built-ins here will make this space feel intentional. The key moves here are number 1, full height walnut panel feature wall. Number 2, L-shaped built-in bench along 1 or 2 walls. Number 3, integrated storage below seating. Number 4, warm indirect lighting washing the wall upwards. 1 structural reading lamp instead of multiple pieces. Why this works? It grounds the tall volume of the space. Number 2, makes the space feel permanent, calm, and expansive. Number 3, becomes an emotional retreat, perfect for those days where you need to lounge around after a long day at work. Or add a lounge area. Or, if you're bold enough, an indoor library garden hybrid. This space then becomes half reading room, half indoor garden, which works out perfectly because of all the natural light that this area receives. The key moves here are vertical plant wall or clustered tall greenery, floating wooden shelves for books, a single chaise all-day bed, stone or travertine side table, soft warm wall washes. This then becomes your very own morning tea space, decompression zone, or quiet conversation area. The master bath is large and practical, never been used before, so I think you're pretty much all set here with a bed as the carpentry has been done. There is another room here that's perfect as a study because of all the natural light. And one more room at the back that can be used as a guest room, a lot of privacy for your guests. As with all single-story homes, the second bathroom is shared, all brand new too. Let's head to the kitchen area. The kitchen is ideal for the modern family or busy couple. Simple yet functional with all the cabinets, hob, hood and fridge all included. My favorite part is this laundry area. You have the washer-dryer hidden here and you have this countertop that's perfect for folding clothes and storing utility wares. Let's head back outside. The car porch has excellent proportions, pitch roof, central arc, generous setback. The problem is not architecture. The problem is currently the house screams parking space, gate, concrete house. The cost explosion normally happens when you start touching the tiles, the gate, the structure. All of this adds up. And for this home, you absolutely don't need to do that. What you want to achieve in order to be cost efficient is to let the car porch feel designed without construction. You make visitors walk through the site though without thinking. You do this by aligning lighting, plants, path direction, and visual farming. You only add 5 to 7 large planters, stepping stones, 3 to 4 warm lights, 1 bench or feature pot, all approximately 3 to 5,000 in total. The home already has something many renovations attempt to achieve: character, roof hierarchy, central architectural feature. Let's talk about price. This home is asking for 1.75 million. Most TTDI single-story homes go for around 1.2 to 1.3 million but require major renovation. Let's do a quick review of potential renovation costs. To purchase older renovated unit, about 1.25. Hacking rectification work, 80 to 150,000. Kitchen and wardrobe, 80 to 120,000. Electrical and plumbing redo, 40 to 60,000. Bathrooms, 40 to 70,000. Design fees, approximately 20 to 40,000. Furniture, 80 to 120,000. Contingency, about 50,000. This brings your true end cost to about 1.65 to 1.85 million. By the time renovation, furnishing, design, and coordination are done, most homeowners spend 1.7 to 1.8 million and wait almost a year. While this home already has terrazzo flooring, arches, clean volume, these are perfect bones for any aesthetic style. For this home, you don't need major renovation. All you really need are warm geometry, layered lighting, and color palette anchoring. This home allows for immediate move-in with structural and aesthetic works already done. If you're interested to find out more, give me a call or drop me a text. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Yin Ping from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place.